Hello there everyone, this is Sahil from the Creatr team, and today we are going to have a quick tutorial on how to build a to-do list application using Creatr. So to use Creatr you don't need any sort of technical expertise. I'm a product designer and I don't know how to code. So this is going to be a pretty interesting project for me as well, to create that to-do list application by just prompting Creatr how to do it via natural language. So I have my prompt ready. That says, can you build a to-do list application that is inspired by Notion's design language that has three sections as follows. Section 1, a horizontal date selector where the default date selector is going to be of today. Section 2, the section where all the tasks will be present in a pill format. Section 3 would be a button to add and another button to select and delete a pill. I have given it a simple task to keep enough padding and spacing so it follows all the basic design guidelines and principles. So either I can go ahead and enhance this particular prompt, or I can also just enter it right away and submit it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to submit this prompt since it's pretty exhaustive, but you can always enhance the prompt if you have a need for it to be a little more structured. So right as you submit your prompt, the Creator's dashboard would shift into the chat editor dashboard where we can see the chat that we have just sent it, and it's going to show us how Creatr is thinking about creating this particular dashboard or the design. So now it's going to take some time to understand the prompt that you have given Creatr, and it's going to write code basis whatever the prompt that you have given. After a couple of seconds of writing and understanding the prompt, the AI has given us this preview where we can see a horizontal section to select a date. We have something to add a new task in, and then it also has a section where you would see all the different tasks. So let's pop it on a different tab and let's try to use this. So let's say I have to get groceries, so I'll just simply write get groceries, and I'm going to add that task here. As soon as I select this, I can either just let it be, or I can go ahead and delete the task as well. So it has built the functionality on top of just the UI that we have asked it to build. So let's say this is in the light mode and I want to shift it into a darker mode. So I have written that you can recreate this dashboard in a dark mode. So let's see how it performs there. So after a couple of seconds of code editing and creation, Creatr has given us this dark mode dashboard that looks very beautiful. So here we are going to simply write some other task. Let's say get a bag of Lay's, and we are going to add that task. So as soon as we click this, same functionality, but let's say we want to build another functionality on top of this where whenever we click on any task and we sort of end that, it should format the task into a strike through view where we can see that the task has been striked off from our to-do list. So I'm going to simply go ahead and toggle inspection, select this particular section and write is as soon as I complete a task, change the text styling to strike through, add a subtle animation while you do it. So let's go ahead and enhance this prompt and see what it does. So it's going to give Creatr more instructions around how to actually build this particular prompt and how to go step by step to be able to implement that. When a task is marked as complete, apply a strike through, implement a subtle animation requirements, etc. Everything has been expanded and given it so that it's able to understand it even better. So I've sent the prompt to Creatr once again, and it's going to generate some more code and change the code that we have written previously to implement all the changes that we have asked it to create. Let's go ahead and add a new task here to see if it has done whatever we have asked it to do it previously. So let's just simply write a task, add it, and awesome. So it has striked through the task as well, and now we can go ahead and give it even more complicated task to execute, where I would say if there are multiple tasks, the one that is marked complete should move to the bottom of the list. So let's say in case we have multiple tasks that we have added to our to-do list, whenever I mark a task complete, it should move to the bottom of the list. So let's see how it does it. We have gotten the result, and let's try it out. Amazing. So now it also moves the tasks in the bottom of the list as soon as we mark the task complete, and we can also go ahead and mark multiple tasks and they would all move to the bottom. Let's try to add a confetti as soon as we complete all the tasks. Let's try to mark all the tasks as complete this time, and let's see if there's a confetti. And yes, there's a confetti after this, and I'm pretty happy with the results. Let's see if it is responsive. It is sort of responsive, but let's try to make it even better. When you change the layout to mobile, the design should have full width buttons and it should also look better. Give it 16 pixel padding from both ends. So let's see how it does it this time again. The coding is done, and now let's check if it is responsive. Okay, now it has also added the padding and all the buttons are full width now. So let's try to add another task, and the functionality remains the same. So this is a simple to-do list application that we were able to create using Creatr. Let's go ahead and deploy this. As soon as I clicked on deploy, I got this link that has shifted the Creatr from preview to production. So this is pretty much a quick tutorial on how you can create your own to-do list application using Creatr without writing a single line of code. In the next video, we are going to see how you can utilize integrations and how you can connect a backend to your dashboards. Awesome. Have a good day. See you.